Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to abc2news.com. Meteorologist Mike Taylor with a forecast update for you for the rest of tonight. Going into your day tomorrow, we expect the same song and dance with the showers and also the thunderstorm chances. Here's your forecast for tonight. Partly cloudy, spotty showers. I'm thinking that'll diminish after sunset, but I still won't rule out a spotty shower flaring up. We have enough disturbances in the atmosphere that can kick that off. Let me show you what Futurecast is saying. As we go into around 8 p.m. to midnight, it still keeps the rain around, also partly cloudy skies. Patchy fog, can't rule that out either. Just an overall active scenario. We have lots of moisture in the atmosphere. They're just byproducts anytime you have that type of setup. Once we go into your day tomorrow, I'm thinking we'll have a sunny start, quiet start. Humidity will be noticeable. Temperatures will start off in the 70s, and in the heat of the afternoon, a lot like today, we'll have the showers and storms flare up in selective fashion. Not going to be widespread. Everybody's not going to see them. But yeah, they're going to be on radar during the course of the afternoon. Things will settle down into the evening, and then we'll do this all over again for Thursday. So we're in a carbon copy forecast pattern here, where every day kind of mimics the day before, and that's not going to change up until we get towards the weekend. So here's your forecast for your Wednesday. High of 90 degrees, spotty storms, can't rule that out. Thinking it'll be a mild start in the day, partly cloudy in the afternoon. I'm thinking the afternoon would be the best chance to see those storms, but they could linger on into the evening, and then skies will clear up. Thursday slightly better. Temp will be the same, partly cloudy, but we still have a chance of some afternoon storms. And the 7-day forecast tells the true story, because by the time we get to Saturday, well, would you look at that? We'll struggle just to hit the low 80s. Humidity goes down, and Sunday will be another perfect day, especially if you like the low humidity, low 80-degree days where it's very comfortable, but yet still warm. And thanks for joining us here at abc2news.com to get your forecast information. We'll have another update for you right here with Lynette during the morning hours.